Dear students, you have four types of short compositions in your syllabus: notice, advertisement, poster, and invitation. Today I will teach you notice. Notice is a short piece of writing meant for public information. It is written or printed information. It is put on the notice board at some public place. The purpose is to disseminate information to the large number of people in a very short time. A notice can be about a meeting, an event, an excursion, a historical trip, a picnic, lost and found, change of name, address, uniform, timing, venue, etc. It is very popular means of communication used by individuals and organizations. Where are these notices displayed? In the school college notice boards, in the newspapers, magazines, in public notice boards also. Now I will talk about their features. The very first characteristic of a notice is that it should be short. It should not be more than 50 words. It should not be written more than in 50 words. Second, the language of the notice should be very simple and it should be formal. Third, it should have a proper layout. It should have a proper format. Fourth point, it should give complete information. Fifth, use impersonal language, I mean to say third person, and avoid I and you. And the last and very important feature is that it should be put in a box so that it may look attractive. Now I will talk about the format of notice writing. At the top of the notice, the name of the organization from where the notice is being issued. It may be organization, institute, it may be some society. The name of the organization is written. Below it, notice is written in all the letters are in capital, NOTICE. Below it, on the left hand side, date is written. In the middle again, below it, title is written. Title depends on the type of information that is being given. And after then, content is written, and content depends on the type of information being given. What sort of information is given? It is about programs, celebrations, inaugurations, meetings, appeals, donations, tours and tracking, etc. It is depend on that. And what, when, where, how, all these questions are answered. The important details are given at this part. Body part contains date, time, duration, place, venue, when and where. And at the end of the notice, the signature of the authorized person who has issued the notice is written, name and signature, and the designation also. Now look at the format, how it is done. At the top, name of the issuing agency authority, then notice, then date of issue, release of notice on the left hand side, then title, and then body part containing all the details, and at the end, authorized signatory, name, designation, and signature. Now we will solve a question and we will apply this format. We will write this notice in the format. You are Raman Kumar, Rama Bajaj, Secretary, Janta Group Housing Society, Alam Bihar, Delhi. Water supply will be suspended for 8 hours, 10 am to 6 pm on 10th of March for cleaning of the water tank. Write a notice in about 50 words advising the residents to store water for a day. So look at it. You find that at the top of the notice, the name of the organization is written, the name of the society is written, Janta Group Housing Society. It is given in the question also. 50% of the information is available in the question, and most of the format part is covered by the information given in the question. Then we write notice. Then on the left hand side, date is given. Then see, the title should be attractive, and title is given attention. All the society members, all the members of the society, when they look at the notice, they become very attentive. Then the body part is given, and the body part is taken from the question. What is the question? The notice is to inform all the residents regarding the suspension of water supply for 8 hours. That is a way to write notice. Then you write details also. It is being done to clean the water tank. It is already given in the question also. Water supply will be suspended for 8 hours. And for cleaning of water tank, it is given in the question. So most of the information is supplied by the question itself. Then you will write day, date, time, when the action is to be initiated, when the tank is to be cleaned. Then what is the requirement? Thus, we request you to store the required amount of water beforehand to minimize the difficulty. Thank you. And this information is also given in the question, that the water supply will be suspended. So it means that residents are made aware that they should store the required amount of water. And the end is with the signature, name of the person, and designation. So this way the notice is written. If you look at the another question, it is a school notice. As a head boy, head girl of your school, you are organizing a career counseling session for 11th and 12th standard students of your school. Write a notice giving details or to be displayed on your school notice board. Now look at the top, the name of the school, ABC School, XYZ City. Notice is just below it. Then date on the left hand side. Then the topic, title, career counseling session. It is already given in the question. What is the information? What is the category of the notice? Career counseling session. Then the body part, students of class 11th and 12th are invited to attend a career counseling session. The day, date, time, and the venue is given. Please be seated by 8:45 a.m. Other detail is given. Then the requirement, kindly don't bring bag eatables inside the auditorium. For more details, contact the undersigned. So this is how the body part is covered, and at the end, the name of the person, his designation, and his signature. So all these are written in the notice. So this way notice is written. I hope you have understood how the notice is written. Now on the basis of your understanding, attempt other questions also. Thank you and have a nice day.